Guys, it's Camouflage Mario Educates here, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung Notes. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna make a new note. Alright guys, so let me change the, never mind. So this is what a note looks like, guys. Now, there's a title here, and let's just name the title Video. Sorry. Now, if I wanted to make it underlined, I can just retype it underlined, like this video. And if I want to make it italic, I just retype it in italic. Video. There. Now, that's just for the text, guys, and that's for the title. You can also do bold. And you can change the font color here. Like here, I can pick red. And I can write different types of video. Let me just select all and then copy there. And then I can change the many different colors too. Maybe gray could be. Black? Wait, sorry, black is already there. Green maybe. And I can just, oh crap. Alright, and I can just type in that color. And pen. Now guys, you can write yourself, like handwrite yourself without typing with the pen option. Now it's really hard to do the pen option because I don't like it myself, but for those guys who have good handwriting, I recommend it for you because it's really good. I mean, I can write something like, I'm just gonna write letter A there. It doesn't look impressive because of my terrible handwriting, but it looks like an A. It looks like an A actually. And that's why I like it so much. If you want to erase, just use the eraser tool and it'll erase for you. See, I can do anything here and just erase. There's also the brush, guys. Now, the brush. You can brush on like a piece of canvas and then you can post it as a note. Yeah, look, see? Look. Video, there. Look at that. That's really strange. You can change the size of the thickness of the brush, the opacity of the brush, and different types of brushes. Pencil, anything. Well, any type then. There's also a sample of the color, as you can see there. And I didn't really want it to be dark, so I made it a bit light. And this looks nice, guys. You can also scroll down and undo. Also, you can erase. And there you go. That's for the top option. For the ones down, you can do bold. Now, you know what bold is. Of course, some of you do. It's to thicken your writing. Your writing, sorry. And look, it's really nice. Now I can't just select all and do all like bold. Sorry, yeah. Because, oh good, okay. I can't select all and just, change it to bold. It's not Microsoft Word, guys. It's like Samsung. So usually I use all of these three and I just type the video. There. The video idea. But those are erased because this is the new video idea. Alright guys, you can also bullet. See, you can bullet. It looks nice. It really does. Sorry, that was numbering. This is bulleting. You can bullet, right? You can bullet. And you can add a list or anything. You can also change the line spacing. Sorry, not the line spacing. The way you want to write it. I don't know how to say it, but like the way you can write it in the middle, or you can write it justified. The place. Sorry, the place where you're gonna write it. And there you go. You can turn off rich text, which I don't really know what that means. You can save. And there you go. And if you want to delete it, just edit here and then delete. Okay guys, so that's today's video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.